A block, taste esophagus goulash. Is it quick, healthy, and easy to make? You take 1 chopped onion and put it in 1 tablespoon of olive oil or any oil into skillet. Cook until tender. Add garlic and cook until tender. Add hamburger and cook until brown. Add one and 4 cups of beef broth. And 2 cups of elbow macaroni. Cook until tender. Al dente. Add 1 tablespoon tomato paste. Add 1 can and diced tomatoes, drained. Add 1 can tomato sauce and cook. Add 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning. And add 1 cup of cheddar cheese. Cook until the cheese is melted. You got a great meal.